Welcome back to the Daily Tagalog, where you learn Tagalog one heartfelt phrase at a time. Today's endearment phrase is one of the most powerful things you can say. Mahal kita. It means I love you in Tagalog. Let's break it down. Mahal means love. Kita is a contraction meaning you. It is used as the object of the verb. So when you say, Mahal kita, you're directly saying, I love you. Let's practice saying it together. Repeat after me. Mahal kita. Now say it again with feeling. Mahal kita. Say it again like you mean it. Mahal kita. Perfect! This might just be your favorite Tagalog phrase. Comment who you'd say, Mahal kita to today. And if this made you smile, give the video a like, subscribe, and join us again for more sweet Tagalog expressions here at The Daily Tagalog.